So it is 5:18 and time for what's trending this Wednesday in the Baltimore Buzz.
Whoopi Goldberg is among the honorees for the 14th Essence Awards, along with Euphoria stars Zendaya and singer-songwriter Cynthia Erivo. Actress Laverne Cox is set to host this year's event, and it will be live-streamed, the ceremony, on April 22nd.
That should be pretty good.
Yes.
Elton John reveals he's done something with Metallica during the lockdown period. It's not known yet if they've teamed up for a new song or what. What else could he be doing?
I'd like to hear that. Mr. Trash Wheel has special guests right now. Look at this. A mother duck made a nest for her eggs in the mouth of Mr. Trash Wheel. He tweeted, "Don't worry, Mama Duck, I will help you protect them." Duck egg alert. Oh, my.
A Mama Duck.
Yes.
Well, maybe Mr. Trash will pull in some stuff that Mama Duck can feed her baby ducks.
Oh, and it is, covered, so it's a bit of shelter from the elements.
Absolutely.
We'll have to check every day to see them hatch.
There'll be a cam.
Yeah. It's 5:19. That's what's buzzing in Baltimore. We'll be right back.